Well, tonight it's a storm. We were waiting for it. Looks like very big rain. This is maybe it's the second time we'll have enough water for the land. Our trees, the pine, olives of Lebanon, everything like the other trees which is here to be happy. But I'm worried for the plants which is in the garden there. Tomorrow I must check everything, especially the poinsettia, which is very delicate, the leaves. Every year I have this problem. They can tolerate low temperature, but not the hail. Anyway, until now we didn't have the hail, hopefully. You can notice the thunder and the lightning. All of this from the rain. And I'm stuck where I am. I was in the gym and I cannot reach my car. Very nice anyway. Also this is kind of one part of the nature. Good night everybody. Be warm and safe.